Hey y'all, it's going to be a short little video about removing the firing pin from the shroud from a Howa 1500, and this is what they call a mini action. Generally, most Remington type bolts, you would just employ a little bolt tool like this. We would insert the firing pin in here, but the Remington is threaded, so it screws in. You tighten this up, you compress the spring and knock the pin out that holds this on. That doesn't work in this case. Oh, shit. Okay, finally. We see that hole right there above my finger in the firing pin. And then you see right up above it, you see that notch that's in the shroud. What we need to do is compress this, and we're just going to run a pin or punch in that little hole right there with this notch line so that we can access the pin that is holding the locking mechanism on. Okay, what I got here, desktop, you need something where you drill a hole in a piece of wood, whatever, but you don't want to be messing up your firing pin. So you need a small hole for it to go through and something to hold it where you can compress it. I'm going to use this disassembly block, one of these small holes, and I've got a hole in the table here. So I can just set this in, and then I'll press it down, and once it's pressed down, I'm going to get that aligned with that little hole right there, and we're going to lock it. Takes a little bit of force. There we go. Now, that's exposed to our pin. Now we drive it out. And you want to drive it from this way to that way. Too bad. There. Now, I'm sorry, this can slide right off. So there's your firing pin. You've got your spring captured. There's your lock, your cap, and your shroud. Put it together is just the reverse. Hope this helps somebody out. Good luck with your projects.